Good day, learners. Welcome to our day 1 multiplication table of 6. How many bananas in a bundle? How many legs does the insect have? How many eggs are in the basket? Skip counting by 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Today, we will learn how to multiply using the table of 6. What is multiplying? Multiplication means repeated addition. Example, 6 times 3 is equals to 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to 18. Multiplication table of 6. 6 times 1 is equals to 6. 6 times 2 is equals to 12. 6 times 3 is equals to 18. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 10 is equals to 60. Let's read this. The 6-step garden. Liam's mother asked him to plant flowers in rows. Each row had 6 flowers. Liam planted 3 rows. He counted. Row 1, 6. Row 2, 6. And row 3, 6. He added them. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to 18. Liam smiled and said, "This is like using my 6 times table. So 6 times 3 is equals to 18. How many flowers were in each row? How many rows did Liam plant at first? What is 6 times 3 according to the story? How many rows did Liam plant at the end? How many flowers are in 6 rows? To multiply by 6, we use the multiplication table of 6 or repeat adding 6. Let's try this. Solve the following. 6 times 2 is equals to 12. 6 times 4 is equals to 24. 6 times 7 is equals to 42. 6 times 3 is equals to 18. 6 times 9 is equals to 54. Multiplication using the table of 6 is easy when you skip count. Use repeated addition or check the multiplication table. Let's try this. Make your own 6 times table wheel. Welcome to our day 2. Multiplication table of 7. Jumping sevens. Jump every time we say a number in the 7 times table. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7 days in a week. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 7 colors in the rainbow. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. 7 steps in a staircase. Today, we will learn how to multiply using the table of 7. What is multiplying? Multiplication means repeated addition. Example, 7 times 3 is equals to 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equals to 21. Multiplication table of 7. 7 times 1 is equals to 7. 7 times 2 is equals to 14. 7 times 3 is equals to 21. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is equals to 35. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 8 equals 56. 7 times 9 equals 63. And 7 times 10 is equals to 70. Let's read this. Ben and the 7 seeds. Ben loved planting. One day, his teacher gave him 7 seeds per pot. Ben planted 5 pots, he counted. Pot 1, 7. Pot 2, 7. Pot 3, 7. Pot 4, 7. And pot 5 is equals to 7 also. That's a lot of seeds, he said. So he added them. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equals to 35. Ben smiled. This is like multiplying. 7 times 5 is equals to 35. How many seeds did Ben put in each pot? How many pots did he plant first? What is 7 times 5 according to the story? How many total pots did Ben plant later? How many seeds are needed for 7 pots? To multiply by 7, we use repeated addition, skip counting, or the multiplication table of 7. Let's try this. Solve the following. 7 times 2 is equals to 14. 7 times 4 is equals to 28. 7 times 6 is equals to 42. 7 times 3 is equals to 21. 7 times 9 is equals to 63. Multiplying by 7 becomes easy when you practice skip counting, repeated addition, and using your multiplication table. Let's try this. Make your own 7 times table wheel. Welcome to our day 3. Multiplication table of 8. Clap the 8s. Every time we say a number in the 8 times table, we clap once. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. An octopus has 8 legs. A spider has 8 eyes. A pizza cut into 8 slices. Today, you'll learn how to multiply using the multiplication table of 8. What is multiplying? Multiplication means repeated addition. Example, 8 times 3 is equals to 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equals to 24. Multiplication table of 8. 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 times 4 equals 32. 8 times 5 equals 40. 8 times 6 equals 48. 8 times 7 equals 56. 8 times 8 equals 64. 8 times 9 equals 72. 8 times 10 equals 80. Let's read this. Mia and the Magic Octopus. Mia loved drawing sea animals. One night, she dreamed her octopus drawing came alive. The octopus said, "I have 8 legs, and every treasure chest needs 8 keys to open." Mia saw 4 chests. She counted 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equals to 32. She smiled. That's 8 times 4 equals 32 keys. Later, the octopus led her to 8 starfish, each with 8 arms. Mia whispered, "That's 8 times 8 equals 64 arms." The octopus winked. "You're getting better at multiplying by 8. How many legs did the octopus have? How many treasure chests did Mia see? What is 8 times 4 based on the story? How many starfish appeared later? What is 8 times 8 according to Mia? To multiply by 8, we use repeated addition, skip counting, and the multiplication table of 8. Let's try this. Solve the following. 8 times 2 is equals to 16. 8 times 5 is equals to 40. 8 times 7 equals to 56. 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 times 9 equals 72. Multiplying 8 becomes easier when you practice skip counting, repeated addition, and using your multiplication table. Let's try this. Make your own 8 times table wheel. Welcome to our day 4, multiplication table of 9. Clap the nines. The class stand and clap every time they count by 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9 squares in a tic-tac-toe grade. 9 players on a baseball team. 9 fruits in a basket. Today, we will learn how to multiply using the multiplication table of 9. What is multiplying? Multiplication means repeated addition. Example, 9 times 3 equals 9 plus 9 plus 9 is equals to 27. Multiplication table of 9. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 equals 27. 9 times 4 equals 36. 9 times 5 equals 45. 9 times 6 equals 54. 9 times 7 equals 63. 9 times 8 equals 72. 9 times 9 equals 81. 9 times 10 equals 90. Let's read this. Liam's magic 9 balloons. Liam planned to decorate for his birthday. Each pack he bought had 9 balloons. He bought 4 packs. He grouped the balloons. Pack 1, 9. Pack 2, 9. Pack 3, 9. And pack 4, 9. That's a lot, Liam said. So he added 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 equals 36. That means 9 times 4 is equals to 36. How many balloons were in each pack? How many packs did Liam buy? What is 9 times 4 according to the story? To multiply by 9, we can use repeated addition, skip counting patterns, and the multiplication table. Let's try this. Solve the following. 9 times 2 is equals to 18. 9 times 5 is equals to 45. 9 times 4 is equals to 36. 9 times 7 equals 63. 9 times 9 equals 81. Multiplying by 9 is easy when you practice skip counting, repeated addition, and use helpful tricks. Let's try this. Make your own 9 times table wheel.